So I have image here. So this animation, this is basically just going to take a wipe animation and it's going to go left. Pretty simple, right? And this one, we just go ahead and draw how you would normally draw, like if you're writing. But you take off smooth start and smooth end so it does not look weird. And when you go with previous, and well, you just slow it down. Let's put this for about 4. So that looks pretty decent. The effectiveness of the animation basically depends on how you play around with the timing. So I put the hand animation at 350 and I put the text animation at 4. So you can play around with the timing to see how well it works for you. This one, so you can play around with it to suit how you want it to suit. So that's the tutorial here. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, leave a thumbs up under this video. Remember to leave a comment, tell me what other tutorials you would like to see me do. If you enjoyed, subscribe for more videos and I will see you in a next video. Thank you so much for watching.